Engin is Australia's leading broadband phone call or VoIP provider. Why are so many people choosing to make broadband phone calls with Engin? The biggest reason is the huge saving you can make on your phone bills. Making broadband phone calls is easy. Simply plug an Engin voice box into your existing phone and into your modem. Phew, that was pretty tricky. Now, choose your plan and you're ready to go. Don't get stuck with an expensive, old-fashioned telco. Ask here how you can join Engin and save. The best thing about Engin is the savings. There are several plans you can choose from to suit your individual calling needs. How about a plan that includes unlimited local and national calls for one low monthly service fee? Engin-to-Engin calls are free on all plans, so get your friends and family on board. If you have friends or family overseas, then choose the plan which includes unlimited calls to different international destinations. Ask here for more details on all our plans and special offers. Are you being charged an arm and a leg for special features by your current telco? Voicemail, V-mail, call waiting and three-way calling are just a few features that are free with Engin. Ask here about all our great free Engin features. You don't have to sit in front of a computer to make broadband phone calls. With Engin, you make and receive calls through your telephone just as you normally would. And you can get multiple lines for around your house. There's a bit of confusion surrounding broadband phone calls. Here are the facts. 1. You don't need to have your computer on to make broadband phone calls. 2. The Engin service is digital quality sound. 3. Still receive calls on your existing phone number. And 4. Call anyone you like. They don't need to have broadband or Engin. Although it'd be a very good thing if they did. Either keep paying huge dollars to those big old-fashioned telcos, or you can start calling the way of the future and start saving now. Just ask us for more details. Engin, this is the future speaking.